Albert Online Bank Review. Watch before using. Most people get online banking wrong. They assume all banks are the same or that digital-only services lack personal guidance. The surprising truth about Albert is that it combines smart banking with AI-powered financial management, and you won't believe how much it can help you save, invest, and budget automatically. Here's how it works. Albert links your accounts, tracks spending, and uses AI to suggest savings, invest spare change, and manage bills. Users can set financial goals, receive insights, and even access small cash advances when needed. For example, someone who struggles to save can let Albert automatically transfer small amounts to a savings account based on spending patterns. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just an app for checking balances, but Albert actively helps improve financial health. Additional features include no-fee banking, automatic savings programs, investment options with low minimums, and alerts to prevent overdrafts. Users praise its simplicity, automation, and proactive financial advice. However, there are considerations. Albert is limited to U.S. customers, and advanced investment options are basic compared to full brokerage accounts. Most people assume AI manages everything perfectly. Human judgment is still essential for complex financial decisions. In conclusion, Albert is ideal for those who want a smart, automated, and user-friendly banking experience while building better money habits. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online banking and fintech tools.